Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Soidul English Academy. Adia, I arba notun video lo rasa hadiri. A video ibat made, I motro dua English structure lo rasa moshwara bujum. Ze structure gune honorare daily life made hadar sentence okol rasa banabole ki koribo modot koribo. If you watch this video from first to last, you can learn amazing and interesting to English structure that will help you in your daily life. So, without spending more time, let's dive into the first structure. Okay? Our first structure was first structure was the reason why ... is that ... Ki hoide? The reason why ... is that ... Okay, our structure ibare our daily life made hondoronor hota kolom made use gorit pari sai. I first example dium. First example ede. The reason why I moved to the city from my village is that I found a better job opportunity there. Ki hoide? The reason why I moved to the city from my village is that I found a better job opportunity there. I ar faratun lorigilam boide harono ede yana ayekan hasgoribor bala moka failamedi. Ki hoide? I ar faratun lorigilam boide harono ede yana ayekan hasgoribor bala moka failam edi. Okay, second example was second example ede. The reason why the Rohingya left Arakan state is that the Myanmar government committed genocide against them there. Rohingya kole Arakanore fele honor haronoil de yana Burmar hukumote Rohingya kolore ki gojil genocide gojil. Ki hoide? Rohingya kole Arakanore fele agil gode haronoil de yana Burmar hukumote Rohingya kolore ere genocide gojil. Okay, ara 3 number example asai. 3 number example made hode the reason why I went to learn English structure is that I want to improve my English skill. Atun English structure kolore shiki bollai mono hode harono edi yana atun ar English skill ore barai bollai. Ki hoide? Atun English structure ore shiki bollai monohodde harono ede yana atun ar English skill ore barai bollai monohor. Okay, asha kori nora first structure gura bujit paijon. Yer pore ara second structure bosai. Second structure hoide however ... Ki hoide? However ... Okay, ara structure ibare ara daily life made kibabe use gorit pari sai hondoronor hota kolom made ara use gorit pari sai ara jete neki honakkan hasgorir boshat ara kan moshwara diye bafe yan golle khenoi ucchattu jale khenoi ara hodin e doronor hodin je tara suggestion di e time made ara jibani ki however ... hori jiba structure ase e structure ibare ki gorit pari ara istemal gorit pari sai example sai first example e de however, studying together for the exam. Ara enthanolai boli begulone fuate study gole keno. Ki hoide? Enthanolai boli ara begulone fuati study gole keno. Second example. Second example ede however having our lunch together at the same table. Ekkan tebilot made arar dujar hana gunore haile keno. Okay, asha kori second example bujit paijon. Third example losai. Third example ede however going outside. However going outside. Bare jaile keno. Okay, ara je dua structure ora dase moshwara bujji. Asha kori nona dase structure guno ora dase bujit paijo. E doronor hota kolore dase ara jete ara daily life made istemal gori. E time ara je structure dumo hoi. Ugoi diki the reason why ... is that ... Second structure hoide however ... এ স্ট্রাকচার উনরে আর ডেইলি লাইফত মাঝে আর কি করতে ইস্তেমাল করতে ওকে আশা করি না বুঝতে পারছেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।